about something that could change the world of MS.
Could meet the need of some patients for who we have little to offer.
It could be a drug that could blow a $20 billion market.
Cladribine had been developed for people with hairy cell leukemia. It became really exciting when in 2009-10 when the results of the Clarity study came out. Data trial were very convincing in terms of efficacy, reduction in relapse rate, reduction in disease progression against the backdrop of a very reasonable safety profile.
Now, who will this drug benefit? It can benefit everybody. Ideally, we wanted to try it in people with relapsing MS because they will clearly benefit. But for progressive disease, what we realise is that the problem in MS is nerve damage. And so if you really want to treat nerve damage, you've got to target the cells that are sat in the brain. And so the only drug that really has that capacity to do that is Cladribine.
Secondary progressive patients who have begun to lose significant disability, EDSS 6, 6.5, could potentially benefit from the immunosuppressant effect of Cladribine.
Scientifically, you can make the argument why it's the best drug for MS. Safe, convenient, effective. For 1 year of treatment, we know that 50% of people don't have disease 5 years later. It could be forever, we don't know, but that is a huge potential saving if you're only spending $350 versus $250,000. So you can see why Cladribine would be a scary drug, because it could break the market. There was a signal potentially associated with a risk of cancer.
3 people who were on Cladribine developed cancer, whilst there were no patients at all in the placebo arm of the study.
Merck, I think, stupidly stopped development.
We then started and looked at what we could do to make this drug available to people with MS. And the safety issue was, from the word go, for us, suspicious. The unusual result was that there were no cancers at all in the placebo group.
We did an analysis, and that showed that the risk for cancer with Cladribine was no greater than with any other drug.
We are designing a trial for people with progressive MS, using Cladribine as the drug of choice.
And perhaps that maybe has pushed Merck to resurrect their program. And so they are going back to the regulators.
Which will mean, if they get the license, that it will be for a drug that will be in exactly the same high price sector as all the other disease-modifying drugs at the moment.
So this is one good way of killing us off. So what we really need is somebody who actually has the money to support the study, and the belief that we actually want to do good for people with MS. It's not about making money, it's about doing the right thing.